What's going on?
Hey, the Pasha mustn't get the arrow. If you give it to him, well, you'll be killing us all.
What do you suggest?
Give me the arrow. I don't have it. You'll save a few good...
You're the same bunch, aren't you? Why?
Because if he gets his hands on it...
What kind of nonsense is that?
It's the truth. Pasha isn't like Karel. Karel was like... We kept talking about humility. He always said, an humble life...
He sounds like a good man.
He was. Pasha, on the other hand... And now he'll take revenge on all those who did. I'm afraid he'll drag us into...
That's the risk of being a bad. It can cost you your neck.
So it is. But
If I give it...
I'll go somewhere far away. And start my own gang. I don't need... We'll be happy with the arrow.
I'll give you the...
I could lie to you. But I'll be honest. I was born a thing. I couldn't handle being cooped up in some workshop all day. Or shoveling shit on a farm. I want to...
In that case, I can't...
I was worried. Look, we're all alone here, so... Either...
If you lay a hand on your weapon, I'll show you no mercy.
We'll see about that. You swine!
Careful that scythe. You have a kind master, eh, mutt?
I found your...
Glory to the Lord.
I do.
Come on, shoot!
Glory, glory to our Lord!
Come on, shoot!
Arrow, arrow, arrow!
Oh! The arrow killed him. We're done for. God, God,